the Meguiars non-acid wheel cleaner. I buy by the gallon. It's effective and easy cleaning wheel and tire. Quickly removes brake dust, road grime, light grease, and dirt. That's a spray on, lightly agitate, and hose off. It's ready to use formula. It's pre-diluted and no mixing required. Hey, what's going on? It's Mike. I'm back again with another video. Today I got an interior detail with exterior wash, and we're just going to add some paint protection on there. So if you like watching detailing videos, product reviews, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below. In the meantime, I want you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. From Vonixx, I'm using Citron. Citron is a degreasing car wash soap that is a biodegradable product that contains special surfactants and natural solvents extracted from orange peels. Citron is ideal for vehicles that are heavy-duty washing, removes grease, oils, organic materials, waxes, helping to deeply clean the paint and exterior surfaces. stick to my theme, I'm using Vonixx. It's called Blend. It's an all-in-one. It's a single-step polish compound that helps promote protection for the paint. It protects the paint for up to 4 months, combines the gloss of carnauba with the ceramic resistance of SiO2. Its addition to a significant water beading effect. The blend, it has a high cutting power, eliminates the medium to severe swirls and marks. It's compared to up to a 2000 grit sandpaper and finer. It leaves an excellent finish at the same time. It's got no dusting. It could be used with different pads. I'm using a medium cut polishing pad with this. I actually got pretty good results with it on the white paint. From the Glove BoxRx, I'm using their interior cleaner. It's a rich, sudsy formulation that's tough on stains but yet delightful on your nostrils. It can be used with a detail brush, the Scrub Ninja, microfiber towels, anything like that. It's safe on all interior surfaces like fabric, leathers, vinyls, plastics. And the best part, it's made in the USA. With the carpets being, I would say, I don't know, somewhat type of thin, the car interior wasn't well maintained, so I'm treading lightly. So instead of using by extractor, I'm going with the steamer. To me, the steamer is a lot safer. And I'm getting the job done, as you can see here in a few minutes. When I'm done with this, just with this one side here, you'll see it's working quite well. So I'm treading lightly through here because I'm trying not to beat up the carpet too much. It is, I would say, it's gone through its wear and tear. So that's the reason why I'm not using an extractor. Sitting in that cup holder there, it's some spilt candle wax is what it looked like. So when I started to melt it, it would liquefy, and then I end up going to get my cheaper rags, my white towels, and started scooping it out little by little. I ended up getting, I would say, I don't know, 85% of it out, but from the smell of it, I think it might have been from Christmas time, because it smelled like a Christmas scent. JaxWax, I'm using the carpet and fabric cleaner. It's a specially formulated product that easily removes tough stains out of carpet and fabrics or upholstery. This product attacks dirt, grime, and grease with ease and by penetrating dissolving the stains on contact.